Bangladesh is witnessing a pivotal moment in its political evolution. 7 months after a student led uprising ended former PM Sheikh Hasina's 15-year reign, the students behind the July protests have launched a new political party called the National Citizens Party. Promises of reformation, responsibility, and rebuilding are the key concerns, and this marks a significant shift in the political landscape, especially as this is the first major party to be formed outside the control of the Mujib Zia families. However, as laudable as this move is, the road ahead is fraught with challenges. The violence and the infighting among political parties and student unions suggests a battle over historical narratives, one that has seen tensions rise between factions claiming to be the true heirs of Bangladesh's political legacy. This internal strife is not just about ideologies but also about control over the country's future direction. Now, Army Chief Fakhruzzaman's call for elections in December 2025 directly contradicts Yunus's claim of elections in 2026, which underscores the instability within the political establishment. Zaman is a vocal supporter of Yunus, but he has cautioned against the infighting. The National Citizen Party, while positioned as an antidote to the corruption and the partisanship of the past, will need to prove its commitment to the promise of a new era free from the politics of the past. Moreover, the formation of this party also raises crucial questions about its funding and how it will handle Jamaat's involvement in leadership roles, which it has firmly opposed. And as seen in the recent launch of a new student organization, Bangladesh Ganotantrik Chhatra Sangshad, which is BGCS, student politics in Bangladesh too continues to be marred by violence and power struggles, echoing the very same problems that the uprising in July sought to eliminate. The ultimate test will be whether this new party can truly reshape Bangladesh's political narrative or if it will fall into the same trap that led to its predecessor's downfall. Can it fulfill the aspirations of the youth and the people of Bangladesh, or will it simply become another player in the game of power? Only time will tell. Thank you for watching.